Sure you can.
You're on it.
It has training wheels, that's better. And two big hands on it.
Look at me and say, Merry Christmas, 1986.
Merry Christmas,
No, look at me, not the TV.
Merry Christmas, 1986.
No, Kel, look at me when you say that.
Merry Christmas, 1986.
Wow, look at that fancy bike.
Take a look at your brother. He's awake.
Michael Loretto Tachi.
That's it, can't fall over, it's just bobby.
I should have to shampoo that head.
Gable Grunter.
Hey, Kelly,
What?
you want to bring me over the bear towel that I have in the thing there? See it? Right here, Kel. Right under the diaper. See the bear towel?
No.
Underneath the diaper in the corner.
Yes, I did.
Thank you. Pick that up. Quick, quick, quick.
Is there, Mommy?
No.
Every time he hears the water, he thinks it's a monster.
Grunter Gables.
Get a bath. Get you all cleaned up, buddy. I know you're hungry. You always have to have a bath when you're hungry. Hi. Hi.
Michael Loretto Tachi.
Pretty soon you can have a nice wet bath and you won't have to fool around with this stuff.
Belly button so I can get. Now watch what she's gonna do, Dad. Let's have it still.
I think so.
Good enough.
Feel better now? Time to eat. We're gonna film this too?
Let's see his big fat face. Oh, oh, so pitiful. Michael?
Yes? Yes?
Look
How nice and clean his hair is. That'll last about 10 minutes. So serious. Time to eat. Probably fall right to sleep now, poor guy.
Isn't he funny looking, Gal? You look just as funny.
I want to do his bottom, you do it. I hate to. Mom, how about turning him over and doing
No, because his back's getting wet and I... Boop, 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 boop. Now watch, here goes the water.
Yeah. Just a little bit more on his arms and his elbow.
Whoa.
Rub his fire, right? Not too hard, right, Mommy?
Cal, you move your hand, please, okay?
Michael Tachi. Tell everybody the date. Say it's it's Saturday.
It's Saturday.
January
January
31st.
31st. Michael, you want some
Do
of
Daddy a
this?
favor, Kelly, and put the light on, Kelly. Put the light on over there.
Let's go. Talk.
No. Put the microphone. Move the microphone over. The one with the microphone. Come over here. Kelly, go around there. Go around there.
Put the microphone.
Right next to him so they can get his good sound.